Time to set your cruise control.
Sea day 2.
Yes, we are at Sea Day 2 on the MSC Seascape. Tomorrow is our first stop. It's going to be Costa Maya, so make sure you look forward to that video tomorrow.
Yes.
Today is
go
all
get some massages.
Yes, today is all about a sea day. That's a little gloomy.
Cloudy.
Yeah, it's a little gloomy, but the weather is definitely better today than it was yesterday.
Yes, it's not cold.
Yeah, yesterday was chilly, windy. Really couldn't get out here and enjoy anything. You could come outside. It wasn't that, I mean, it was cold. It was like 42 degrees. And honestly, by the time the sun set yesterday, it was like 33 out here on the cruise ship. So it was a little cold, but today's better. I mean, we're in our shorts. We're actually going to get in this hot tub right here. I'm about to turn around and show you.
Infinity hot tub? No.
Sort of. So this right here is a, well, whirlpool is what they call them. But I've put my hand in it and it seems to be a little warmer. But there you go.
We need towels first, though.
Yes. It is a very big hot tub.
Yes.
So I'm going to run up and get our towels and exchange them because they may be a little wet from yesterday. We did stay in the jungle pool for quite a bit yesterday, and I got into that hot tub. But we're going to try this one today. Tanya's actually going to get in with me. Yep. So it's very rare that she gets in the hot tub with me, so I got to take advantage of it. So we'll run up and get our towels, and when we get out of the hot tub, we'll let you know how it went.
Bye.
Okay, y'all, I wanted to show you the Jungle Pool Lounge. It is roughly 1:30 in the afternoon. We did not stay on deck 8 very long, just simply because the whirlpool there is not even warm, really. I mean, it's barely warm. I would say it's just as cool as it is warm. But here, the hot tubs are very nice. These hot tubs are really hot, so they're nice. But it's very crowded today, just like yesterday. We have come upstairs and are playing Sequence. So if you're an avid cruiser like we are, you will see people playing games every day on a cruise ship. They're either playing cards, dominoes, something. But you can find a variety of games, you know, being played on the cruise ship. I've honestly only seen Sequence one other time. Our family loves Sequence, so if you're not familiar with it, go check it out. It's a really good game for a cruise ship. And they have waterproof boards too that you can buy, like vinyl, plastic, things like that. But here we go, one more look. Fairly busy, and it's been this busy for the last 2 hours. Me and Tanya also ate lunch earlier. I didn't want to video any of that just simply because I was wet and I don't like to get my camera wet. I had a burger patty with cheese, no bread, and then Tanya had a salad, and then we shared some French fries. Tonight is lobster night in the dining room and elegant night, so we got to wear our best clothes, and we're going to have to do the same thing we did yesterday, just show up early and see if we can get a table together with our friends. We can't sit together because we have 2 different dining rooms and 2 different times. So we're just going to have to hope that we get lucky and they're early enough that if there is a vacant table, they can put us together. All right, I wanted to show you all the main pool up here on 18. And this is aft. This is at the back of the ship. You can definitely see there's more people utilizing this part of the ship today. Unlike yesterday, it was, you know, it was just a little too chilly. A little windy, and it's still a little chilly, but it's not horrible. The hot tub over here is, yeah, it's got about 7 or 8 people in it. This hot tub over here has got about 7 or 8 as well. So the Robotron is right up there. You can see it covered in the blue. It was actually working yesterday, but not today, not right now. So that is a smoking section right there. So if you're out here on the main pool, you can walk up the stairs and smoke right there. But you can see, like today, there's actually water in this lower part of the pool. Yesterday, there was no water in there at all. Hopefully you don't hear too much of the wind. You know, our last cruise, there was people up here occupying this area, but it was way warmer. Ah, cornhole. Okay, so I just continued towards the back of the ship. I just wanted to show you, you could take a pretty good view of the ship right here, of the wake. It's pretty awesome. And that's the Bridge of Sighs. Nobody really in the infinity pool at all on deck 8. Group of people here. It's a good place to eat. If the buffet area is crowded, you can always bring your food out here. And then there's actually a bar on this side. You can take your food out and eat, but there's also a bar over there. But still, look at this. I mean, there's not a whole lot of people utilizing this for sure. But I don't blame them. I mean, it's kind of chilly. By the way, there is a soft serve ice cream right over here if you're on the pool deck. It's on this floor. It's on this level. We'll walk up to 19 right here. All right, up here at 19. Like I was saying earlier, this is smoking area up here. There is a bar there, but it looks closed. I do not believe... Oh, no, these slides are open. There's water running through them. So I guess the slides are open. I didn't think they'd be open, but they are. This is the Pirate Cove, I think is what it's called. It's on deck 16. Nope, I'm sorry. That is deck 18. My bad. This is deck 18, but it's probably a little chilly for kids to be out there today. You would think the kids would tough it out. So there are people working up here, but I haven't seen anybody coming down yet. So I don't know if anybody even wants to try the slides. That is top 19. That's exclusive to Ari and Yacht Club. So I don't even get the video over there this cruise. But if you are interested in that, just go back to my last MSC cruise. I'll link it in this video. I'll link the playlist for that. You can see all that in that video. I've got all that footage. We're using the rope bridge. But again, no one over here. Look how windy it is. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see the wind come through and blow the water. Yeah, it's really windy, actually. Okay, and then on this side, you have 2 hot tubs. And again, top 19 is right there. We can't get into that, but I know these hot tubs were whirlpools, not hot tubs. They're just barely warm at all. I'm sure it's the same as it was the last cruise. And then you have one more slide on this side. And it actually, the exit for it is down here on this level here that you see. It's just right under us. By the way, if you go directly down from where I just was, you end up in the buffet. So I'm going to turn you around and show you the buffet as well. So that pool area, kids' pool area, is right above us. You can see how busy it is right now during lunch. I don't know if I told you what time it was when I started videoing this again. When I took you back to 18 to show you the main pool deck and the Robotron, that area, it was about 2:30. So lunch is still going on. People are still over here getting a lunch, getting their lunch. Buffet lines aren't too busy, and you can see there's quite a few tables available. Wow. We have a 3:30 show today on a sea day, and it looks like it's going to be packed. Oh, it's just now opening. Yeah.
The entertainment of the afternoon,
Yes.
everybody. Sorry for going up there.
Love and Marriage show. And it looks like it's going to be packed. That's all right. We'll try to get in here and see if we can find 4 seats together. What do you think? Think we can do it? Yeah? All right, here we go. The Love and Marriage game show. And this is early, a 3:30 showing. You don't get that very often. Pretty decent sized theater, so they should have plenty of seats for people. But no upper deck, just 6 and 7. One without the other, love and marriage. All right, they're on the show, 66 years. That's awesome. That's pretty classic. Taking the shirt off, that's normal.
You are an overachiever. She didn't even say the line yet.
That was the point.
Wow. Was that okay? Do you wanna do the real version now? Okay, here we go. And action.
Roar.
Roar.
It didn't go quite so much that time.
Tiger action. The tiger.
Rawr.
All right. What about right behind you? That was a little Indian-esque. Indian-esque. That's cool. That's cool. How about couple number 3 right here? That's very nice, sir. Very nice.
All right, y'all tell us, how do we look? This is elegant night for us. We're gonna.
Not very elegant, but comfortable.
We are comfortable. This is as elegant as it gets for us Okies. Anyway, we're going to go down and get in line for dinner. And when we get there, we'll turn you around, show you what's going to happen. All right, so before we go to dinner, we've got about an hour. So we may have us a drink. This is the Shine Bar right here. But I thought I would just kind of show you what's going on. They're making some announcements right now, so it may be hard to hear me. But there is a live band going on right now, too. So we'll listen to some live music and kind of show you around as beautiful people walk by because everybody's wearing their best tonight. There's a moped. You can take pictures on a moped. Midnight Riders. Show you some of the options for pictures. You got the ship background. You just have the plain white background here. Right here, you have the staircase. Oh, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. Cute. Then here, you have the moped. Oh, let me back out. I'm zoomed in. You have the moped. Okay, y'all, I got the lobster bisque. Tony got the same thing as yesterday. Shrimp and Caesar salad. And Erwin, he's not feeling great, but he also got the same thing as yesterday. French onion soup.
Oh, it's so good.
Caesar?
I got Caesar.
Caesar salad, that's right. Masha. Awesome. All right, let's enjoy. Well, I did it. I usually do it at least once per cruise. I forget to video our dinner. At least one portion of our dinner. And I did it on the most important day, lobster night. So me and Tanya both had lobster, and it's half a lobster tail with 3 pieces of shrimp. And then I ordered the filet mignon separate, and that's $5 extra. So to order 2 entrees, you have to pay $5 for the second entree. I can show you the shells. That's what it looked like. And that's what the steak looked like. They're laughing at me. This will be very easy. We all got the same dessert, the baked Alaska. Yeah. It's got a marshmallow outside with a little bit of cake on the top and bottom, and then the Neapolitan ice cream. The Neapolitan or Napoleon? All right, you're looking at the atrium from deck 8. There are pictures being taken. Pretty much every staircase you look at, there's pictures being taken. The stairs are they're iconic on this ship. People like them. The crystal staircase is really good. It's definitely a good spot to take pictures. We are headed to the gym. Doesn't it look like we're dressed to work out?
Yes, I just need to roll it back out.
No, Tanya needs to roll her back out. Her back's kind of twisted wrong, I guess, or tweaked a little bit. So she wants to roll it out real quick. Yeah. So Tanya's going to use that to roll her back out. All right, while she's doing that, I'll show you guys around real quick. Pretty good sized gym. So they close at 9:45. I just heard him say that to someone else, so that's good info to know if you want to come to the gym late at night. But they probably have everything you would probably need. I mean, they don't have an extensive free weights, but they do have some free weights, dumbbells over there. Refill your water.
Question number one. When and where did you first meet? Raymond, what did you say?
High school dance.
At the high school dance. and what did you say?
Chemistry class.
That is not a match, that is a... Oh, Raymond, you're off to a fantastic start, my friends. 66.